Elementor edit screen. And now we will go into the settings screen of this page by clicking on the gear icon on the bottom left corner. Now we will toggle this hide title option to on, and we can see that the page title was removed successfully. That's exactly what we wanted. Let's click on update and revisit the page one more time, and we can no longer see the page title here on the screen. Well, we can see that with the theme that we used, it worked perfectly fine, it was easy. In some other cases, it's not going to work with your theme, and we'll need to take an extra step, and I will show you exactly what we are going to do right now. So for this example, I'm using the Ocean WP theme, and we can see that when I'm toggling the hide title option to on and off, nothing's happening, okay? The title is still there and was not removed. So first of all, let's keep it to on. Now let's go to the title itself. Right click on it and we'll click on inspect. We need to grab the class of this page title along with the tag that is in. Okay, we can see by inspecting this element that it's an H1 tag and the class is page header title. Now there is another class called CLR, but we are going to work with the more obvious class, and page header title, it's pretty obvious that it's the title of the page. Okay, so now let's copy this class. We will click on the hamburger menu in order to access the Elementor global settings. Here we will navigate into site settings and then into layout. Inside the page title selector field, we will type in the tag of the title, which is H1 dot class name, the same class that we copied a second ago. And we can see that the page title was deleted successfully. Now the page title lived inside the container. We managed to delete the title, but the container of the title is still there. When inspecting the container, we can see that it's a header tag with a class of page header. We will copy this class and we will add it as addition to the page title selector that we already have over there. And we are going to separate them with a comma. So I'm going to write a comma, then the tag name, which is header, then dot class name, just like so. And now we can see that both title and title container were removed successfully and no longer on the screen. Now make sure to click on update, revisit your page, and make sure everything is looking good on the live site as well. Alright guys, hopefully you found this process easy enough to follow. If you inspected the element and couldn't find the right tag or class and it didn't work out for you, make sure to check the written blog post. I have the link in the description down below, and leave me a comment in the post which theme you are using, and I will provide you with the right CSS to paste inside the Elementor screen so it will work out for you. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.